AI forced me to evolve. It forces you to grow. I think I'm a better designer because of it. Parents divorced when I was 13, single mom, 2 jobs, I was such a mischievous little kid. If I couldn't focus my energy, I'd always get myself into a lot of trouble. That's why maybe my mom had the foresight to, you know what, let's buy him something that'll keep him occupied and busy and hopefully out of trouble. I got my first car. It was a VW Bug and I was 16 years old. Had hardly any money. Back then, there was no internet, so I had to buy repair manuals, repair books, and I learned how to work on my car. And I screwed up a lot of things. The old school way, hands-on, taking things apart, learning how to fix them, and my obsession grew from there. Coming from an immigrant family is you don't know anything about art and design. Go to school, get a stable job, doctor, lawyer, engineer, something stable. I figured it's like I couldn't make college work for me. It's just I couldn't stay focused. So I decided to join the military, learn a skill, learn a trade, and then figure out what I wanted to do when I grew up. So I discovered this magazine. I was reading it on the ship one day. There was an article about transportation design. The school was Art Center, and it blew my mind. I got off the ship, the weekend break, called the school. I had to see it for myself. Walking the hallways, seeing the student work, it was so next level. It was the combination of art and science, and you can make a living doing this. I knew I had to get into the school. Art Center taught me so many things. Photoshop was relatively new. We did a lot of things the old school way with chalk, vellum, woodworking, model making, painting. They taught me so much of the basics, the fundamentals, how to actually make things, how to produce things. What challenged me coming out of school was getting hired at Fox Racing because it wasn't all about design. As a kid, I wanted a motorcycle, but my mom banned me. Anything on 2 wheels, it's dangerous. No. When my boss hired me at Fox Racing, he did say, it helps a designer to become better at what he does when you have firsthand knowledge and experience in the sport. I highly recommend you buy a dirt bike. I'm not gonna say no to my boss. So during that time, I really developed a passion for helmets. And I find it more challenging because of the safety element. You can't sell a helmet if it doesn't pass all of the required testing. That's what helped me grow as a designer, is because I needed to address so many things outside of design. Fox Racing is also very fashion conscious, and a lot of the top level racers, not only do they want to be fast, they want to look good doing it. Yeah, it's really hard to find that balance. And after 20 years of doing this, you get out of fresh ideas. I needed to bring something new to my workflow. Since last year, with one of my clients, O'Neill, we started with a simple bicycle helmet design project. And I've embraced AI, I've embraced Vizcom, because it makes me a faster, more proficient designer, and I just want to continue to evolve. But honestly, it didn't click at first. Did initially play with it for a little bit, but I felt lost. I'm still an analog designer. As much as I hate to say it, it's like I still don't have a 3D printer. I have to make things to see if they work or not. I do a lot of problem solving working with my hands. It's like sketching in 3D. And to me, it finally clicked when I realized that Vizcom wasn't about replacing my process. I think the hybrid or the combination of being able to still manipulate with your hands and the trial and error with AI is very, very efficient. That's what I love about Vizcom, because they don't really take anything from you. They only supercharge your process. I welcome AI, and I think it won't replace me, because over the years I've built up a level of knowledge and experience and expertise in making physical products. I have a unique skill set in terms of designing for the real world, for human customers, essentially.